Shugor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
The SP has submitted the report, which is as per mandated by the National Human Rights Commission, within 48 hours. After this report is submitted, there will be a magisterial inquiry, which also is under process, and that report will be submitted. And based on that, the National Human Rights Commission will look into the matter and inquire the matter. I felt that it is important at this point in time that we appeal to everybody that at this point in time we must maintain peace in Shillong city and in the state as a whole. Whatever the police or whatever the government is doing is in the interest of the safety of the citizens of the state. And therefore, once again, I appeal to everybody that we must maintain law and order, and we must maintain peace in the state and in Shillong city.